The Women's Division of the National People's Party, under the leadership of Jasmine Lyngdoh, convened a meeting with Deputy Chief Minister and Minister of Home Police Department, Prestone Tynsong. The purpose of the meeting was to extend appreciation for the recent appointment of Idashisha Nongrang as the new Director General of Police, Meghalaya. In a press briefing, Jasmine Lyngdoh affirmed that the newly appointed DGP is dedicated to tackling various law enforcement issues, particularly those pertaining to women in the region.
We have come to express our appreciation that our Deputy Chief Minister, who is also the Home Minister, has appointed Dr. Idashisha as the DGP of Meghalaya, which is a very prestigious post, and we see that yes, this is a government that gives a lot of opportunities for our women to show their caliber, and also to that sense of workmanship and security for our women is very much there because of this appointment that has been made. So we are very happy that the government takes a very strong initiative and sees the potential in our women who are very good leaders and who will give a lot of good service. As we know that Idashisha has also started announcing a series of new reformations in the police department. She's going to be meeting with the public. She's going to give a lot of emphasis on women's safety. And these are the things that we from the National People's Women Front are very happy that this is happening. So this rise in crime on women, we know that it is a global phenomenon. But we understand that with a woman DGP, a lot of emphasis will be done in terms of, even ensuring that, culprits are nabbed in time. They are given the proper, kind of security measures are taken for our women. And we know that, even from the social welfare also that plays a big role for our young girl child. So these are all things that I think, our new DGP will look into.